Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Taylor from Windthorst Library, and today we're going to make a make and take campfire that you can take home, and you can also use it as a nightlight or have a little campfire at your house. So first thing you need to do is just get some brown paper, and you take your scissors and you're going to cut it into strips. And you can just lay it out so it looks like a campfire. Next thing, you're going to take a plastic clear glass, and then you're going to take pieces of tissue paper. I have yellow, red, and green, and I have some white glue. So all I did was I dipped an old paintbrush in some glue, and I usually do it starting at the bottom of the cup, so I turn it upside down so it's a little easier, and I glued all around it. And then you can stick on your paper, and once you get it all stuck on, you can also use Q-tips if you don't have a paintbrush. Then when you get it all stuck on, you can also take a pencil and grab a piece of tissue paper, and I kind of like the red because it looks like fire. Dip it in the glue, and I'll show you. This is sort of what it looked like, the one that I made ahead of time. And you can see I did layers of yellow and green just to be underneath, and then on top I'm starting to stick on the fire and the flames, and I'm using red, and then I'm dipping my pencil in the glue and sticking on yellow. But you don't have to use a pencil. You can even just use your fingers, and you can wrap it around your finger, dip it in the glue and stick it on. Or you can also use the Q-tip if you don't have anything else. Take a piece, put it in the glue, stick it on, right, and then just let it dry. And then that's what it looks like. It looks very poofy and very flamey. This side's done, this side is still the flat piece. And then everyone's going to have a little battery operated light, and we're going to set it on the bottom and put your cup on top, and there you have a little campfire nightlight. And if you wanted to, you could even pretend that these are the marshmallows, and you could have your own little campfire. So in a bag, you're going to get all the materials you need: paper, tissue paper, cup, these little Q-tips, and a little light to put inside. And they'll be at Windthorst Library, so you can just come and pick yours up. And I hope all the kids have fun making these at home. Maybe you can even send me a picture and let me know how they turned out. Thanks for watching.